In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a docx text string using Power Automate. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you need to update or replace specific text in multiple Word documents, you'll know that doing it manually can be time-consuming. Thankfully, Power Automate offers a way to streamline this process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. We'll begin our journey by creating a flow in Power Automate. The first step is to decide how your flow will be triggered. You have a few options here, but to keep things straightforward, let's create a new Instant Cloud flow. Think of this as you pressing a virtual start button whenever you're ready to kick off the process. If you prefer, you can also set it up as a scheduled flow to run automatically at certain times. The choice is yours based on your needs. Once you have your flow ready, it's time to fetch the Word document you want to work on. In this walkthrough, we'll be retrieving the file from OneDrive. You should add an action to get file content, and you have the choice of retrieving it directly or using its path. You might be asking, why OneDrive? It's simple. OneDrive integrates seamlessly with Power Automate, making it a convenient choice for file storage and retrieval. Now comes the core part of our task: altering the text within your DOCX document. At this point, you have two main strategies, but for our purposes today, let's delve into option A, which involves using Encodian, a third-party service. Encodian has a nifty feature called File Search and Replace Text. Here's where you'll tell Power Automate to seek out certain words or phrases and replace them with new ones. Start by inputting the file type, which is DOCX, and specify the file name, something easy to remember, like my.docx, just to keep it simple. Then, link the file content you retrieved from the previous OneDrive step. Now comes the part where magic happens. Define the specific phrases you wish to search for and what you'd like them to be replaced with. If you have multiple phrases, don't worry, you can add all of them right here. When Encodian finishes its work, it provides you with the updated file content in base 64 format and also ensures you have the revised file name on hand. This completes your flow, and you are now ready to handle all sorts of text replacements in your Word documents using Power Automate. And there you have it. You've set up an efficient process to replace text strings and DOCX files using Power Automate. This method not only saves you time, but also minimizes potential errors that can occur when doing such tasks manually. Whether you need to adjust just one document or hundreds, you've got the power to do it smoothly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.